What if you could create an entire 3D game like you were ordering from a menu? I'll take a volleyball game that takes place on a small tropical island with palm trees and a nice beach. We now live in a world where that's a real thing. AI coding, also known as vibe coding, allows you to create games, websites, and worlds by simply typing or speaking to AI. Then these games and experiences can be uploaded to Viverse, where you can share them with the community. Let's say you wanted to create that volleyball game. To design a scene, you can just open up your preferred AI tool and then just talk to it. For example, I would say, build a small tropical island with a palm tree, nice beach, and a shining sun using Three.js. AI then takes that prompt and builds the scene for you. You don't actually need to write a single line of code at all. You just need to imagine something and describe it. And just like any skill, you'll learn how to speak to AI in a more efficient way. And you'll actually learn about coding in the process. Okay, so what is the advanced mathematical wizardry that makes this all work? A program like Cursor is able to hold all of your project files and references them so you can keep building without having to constantly copy and paste in the chat. The really smart sounding official name for it is Integrated Development Environment, or IDE, in case you couldn't figure out the acronym yourself. Behind the scenes, the software uses AI models like Gemini or Claude to figure out what it is you're trying to describe. Then it tasks the programming tools with writing the code for you. This whole system is powered by something called Multimodal Control Protocol. Okay, so why is vibe coding a big deal? Because traditional 3D creation like this has always required advanced programming knowledge and an understanding of things like WebGL, Three.js, and JavaScript. This can lead to a lot of artists and creators giving up before they even begin. Vibe coding removes that obstacle. Now instead of needing to master programming, you just need to be able to describe an idea in simple words. You just need creativity. So how can creators use vibe coding? Vibe coding is perfect for digital artists who want to build experiences in Three.js, Play Canvas and Unity, game developers who want to build fast, educators teaching storytelling and design, or just anyone curious about 3D art and just doesn't know where to start. Want to share your new creation with the world? Simply upload your vibe-coded project to Viverse, which is a social platform that lets anyone build and share their creations with the world, and experience your masterpiece brought to life. For example, just a few months ago, I was tasked with creating a 3D level to be published on the Viverse. I hadn't written a line of code since college. But vibe coding allowed me to write a script for the main components of the game, lily pads that triggered music and changed colors when stepped on. I simply described what I wanted the lily pads to do when the controller collided with them, and the AI wrote an entire script for me. All I had to do was attach the script, point the engine, in my case Play Canvas, to the resources like the music and the different color lily pads, and with just a bit of trial and error, we were able to publish it to Viverse. One of the best parts about creating in Viverse is that you get a multitude of really awesome engines to work with, like Unity, Three.js, or Play Canvas. Vibe coding is more than just a tool. It's a new way to create. A way that's faster, easier, and accessible to everyone. Let me know in the comments what prompt you would give AI to create your own Viverse world, and for now, I have a prompt for you. I'm waiting.